What's up, YouTube? Let's unbox some stuff. Well, just pretty much one thing, but haven't done an unboxing video yet, and thought we might as well do it with this giant box right here. Boom. Similar thing down there, but we're just going to do this top one. So let's show you what this is going on. Boom. Beautiful, beautiful coupe here. Currently all motor 302. Stock motor with a 373 gear. Awesome deal. 5 lugs swapped all the way around. Now, what do we got in this bad boy? Let's see what we got. Oh yeah. Yeah, buddy. Boom. All right. Yes. UPR chromoly K member. As you can hear the 6-liter pass by. And then what else we got here? Let's see. We have some extra camber plates. Alright, nice and packaged up nice and tight. Let's see what else we got. And that is our upgraded hardware kit, I believe. Well, this unboxing video is terrible. Let's see what we can do here. Oh, there we go. Alright, yes. We have steering rack bolt kit. That makes a big difference there. And then that big old thing right there is full of nuts and bolts and all that craziness. Let's see what else we got. Very cool. These are non-sway bar. I say ours like it's mine, but very awesome quality. Very good stuff here. I got them a little banged up here pulling out. They're going under the car, but very awesome. So this ride is going to be almost 100 pounds lighter. He has the entire kit. Got the coilovers from a different person. He got those second hand. They're not used, but second hand. And so he's getting the entire UPR K member kit put on, along with strange singles in the front. And he's already got singles in the back, so doing it the right way, that's for sure. That's one thing I gotta say about Mr. Levi, is he doesn't do it halfway. I'd like to note something here. He was like 17 years old and put these arrow latches in on a almost brand new hood like a pro. I think they look pretty freaking awesome. I would have them do them on my car, but my car doesn't need them. So, all right, that's about it for this deal. If you like it, smash that like button, subscribe for more. We're gonna be doing a lot more of things like this as time progresses. Levi's gonna probably say sorry. His car is actually dirty currently. He daily drives this car about 25 miles to and from work. So, and we're gonna be putting that sucker to the test this year. So it's gonna be definitely fun seeing what this thing does. You know, just a normal old Fox body. So just real quick, shout out to Monster. But anyways, this is not a paid advertisement, nor was I given anything in this video by UPR. I just love their products. They are good. They do a great job. I have them on my personal vehicle and would have them on every vehicle that I own. So that's all that was about. Just want to let y'all know that. Follow Levi on the build with his car. It's 2scoops_Levi. I don't know. I'll put the tag down in the description for Instagram. So give him a follow and a like and all that good stuff. That's pretty much it, guys. If you enjoyed this unboxing video, subscribe for more, like I just said just a minute ago, because I repeat myself a lot. If you like it, like it. If you want to support the page, we have a Patreon now. So just go and hit that link in the box below. And that's pretty much it. That's it. Fox bodies, working on Mustangs, working on Fords. We'll work on some Chevys if we're forced to. Not really, we do those too. But that's it. Peace out.